Welcome to Cook with Jake and Joy. We are so excited for season 6, and we hope you are too. This has been really, really fun.
So
Derek,
fun.
are you having fun too?
I love Cook with Joy.
It's great.
Excuse me?
And Jake, enjoy.
Rude.
And Derek. Okay. All right. So today we are here at our farm, Chapala Gardens, and sometimes we've got between 25 and 40 farms operating. Jake used to run this farm when she was just out of college. She ran it commercially. It was really awesome. Now we run it as a nonprofit, and my husband runs it, and we donate most of the produce to local charities, and it's really cool. But we use a lot of the produce in our show as well. And today we're gonna make the salad that Jake has every day. Well, when Alex is at home, it's kind of the salad she has every day. And really, she grew up eating a salad like this. I kind of instilled this in her. But Jake, tell us about your amazing salad.
I put everything, it's like everything but the kitchen sink kind of salad. And today we're going to be harvesting some green onions for our salad, some kale, a few different types of lettuces, some arugula, and some parsley to go in this crazy amazing salad. It's going to be awesome.
Don't you feel like that?
Yeah.
They're so beautiful. Actually, people do use these.
Edible bouquets.
Yes.
Yeah, edible
totally.
arrangements, yeah.
And there are actually people that use the vertical gardens that we have for like wedding arrangements.
Mm-hmm.
They make spirals around them. It's really cool.
They don't.
Yes, they do.
For real.
And then they make the reception food off of them. It is so cool.
It is cool.
But today we're just gonna make Jake's lunch.
Yeah.
Actually, Jake's gonna make Jake's lunch.
Yeah. So when my husband travels a lot for work, and he is the chef in our house, so when he's gone, I always joke that I only eat salads because that's all I know how to make. I'm learning to make some
And
more
complete
things.
balls.
And complete balls.
Yes.
And some smoothies. But I also joke, I'm like, when we have kids, they're gonna be like, when is dad coming home? We need some real food. So we're gonna make the salad that I make almost every single day. And with this salad, I get the G-bombs, the G-bomb that we've been talking about. So greens, I always mess it up. Greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. So this is how I ensure that I get all of these things into my body every single day because I put them all in my salad. Now, not everybody likes all these things, so you can make substitutes if you don't like some of these things, but this is what I do almost on a daily basis. So my philosophy is to get a little bit of a lot of things. So I like to put as many different types of plants into my salad as I possibly can because I get the nutrient value from all of those different things as opposed to
Well, what's cool about that is that the product that we represent is also like that. It's a lot. Right. It's a little bit of a lot of things.
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Because a lot of one thing isn't as helpful for your body as a little bit of a lot of things. Here's what we got going on. I like to do a number of different types of greens. So I've got a kale, curly kale, like we talked about on a previous show. Some chard. I got a little bit of parsley. A couple of pieces of arugula, and then 2 types of lettuce. Those are all the greens.
Do you want me to cut these up?
Yeah, that'd be great. Okay. Do we need to switch sides?
We could.
Okay, switch sides. So then for the toppings, and again, you can put whatever toppings you like. These are just things that I like to make sure that I can get everything in that I need to. So I put blueberries. I also put green onions, and I just started that when I learned about the G-bombs. I just started doing that so that I could get the onions in, because otherwise I don't eat onions every single day.
Yeah, I don't like onions in that salad. I like them in other things, but I don't like them in green salad.
And then I put walnuts, which aren't in G-bombs, but I've always liked to have a little crunch with the walnuts.
And walnuts are cool because they're shaped like your brain, and a lot of people think that whatever shape the food is shaped like,
that's what it impacts?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Also, dried cranberries, a couple of strawberries, an avocado for some good fats, fresh tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, hearts of palm. I like to do cannellini beans. So that's the beans part. It's
a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of stuff. So I don't put that much like greenery because then by the time you get all this stuff on, it's a huge salad. I like to do also hemp hearts, chia seeds, corn. And normally I saute some mushrooms to satisfy the G-bombs. And I just do really simple. I put some veggie broth and let the mushrooms soak up the veggie broth.
And one thing we just discovered, and I talked about this on our show, every Monday we do a plant feature that we feature something special about a plant. And mushrooms, you need to eat them cooked. I never knew that, and I'm really shocked that there are so many salad bars that have uncooked mushrooms on them. Did you know that, Derek?
I did know that, actually.
You did know that you have to eat them?
Don't do that yet.
No, I knew that salad bars usually have them raw.
Oh, but you didn't know you're not supposed to eat them raw. Yeah, because they have this chemical in them that is carcinogenic that you only get rid of it when you cook it. You can microwave them just for a little bit, But or you can get them canned, I guess, too.
Yeah.
Canned,
Right.
I don't know if they make frozen mushrooms. Probably. They probably do everything. Also, I want to point something out about the chard. Notice that there's a red vein, which I took out, but there's still red veins going through the chard. And this makes it very closely related to the beet family. So not only are you getting greens, but you're also getting all the benefits that you would by eating beets.
Awesome.
And I did a whole episode on that. So if you go to our fan page, Jake and Joy, on Facebook, you can see, you can just look up, I think you can just look up chard, right? And it'll come up with that recipe.
Yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
I'm done talking.
So don't do that yet. Don't do
No?
that yet. No, don't do it yet, because you're gonna make a mess, and I'm gonna show you how to not make a mess.
Oh,
I know. See, I'm very efficient with this salad.
All right.
Like the non-chef teaching the chef what to do.
I'm pretty sure this is not cooking.
Well, I know it's assembling.
It's assembling.
It's assembling.
Yes.
I know. I'm
Yeah.
just teaching you.
Assembling with Jake and Joy.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'm gonna let's put the greens in here. Let's get it going in this
Okay.
bowl.
All right. Well, we're gonna take off some of those greens off this off the lettuce.
Yeah.
Too,
So let's
though,
do
right?
that.
Do you want to do that first? I see that.
And then we gotta chop that, but don't do that yet because you're gonna make a big mess.
All right,
So
I won't, I
we'll
won't.
take some lettuce leaves off of there.
many?
Maybe 2 of the green and 2 of the red.
Okay. These, you know what these are really good on?
Burgers.
They're so great. I love these.
Did you put them on his ears?
I did. I had them on his ears. I did. Okay, and then 2 reds
Yeah,
too?
2 reds.
Okay.
I'll grab 2 reds.
And do you want those cut up?
Yeah, I kind of let's just loosely, like not to be super finely chopped or anything.
Usually when I do lettuce, I just tear it, but not
can-
with
you can
the
tear it.
other greens. I like to make a little
Yeah.
finer because they're
Yeah.
so strong, and that's really good because it's really good for your liver. But a lot of people don't like them unless you disguise them. So
Yeah.
cutting them up into small pieces
Yeah.
makes it a little bit better.
Yeah, and you know, if whatever I have growing outside on my tower, I put in. So if I have cilantro or any other herbs that are growing that I like, I'll sprinkle those in. It's in a basil. Like when you get the little bites of the the strong herbs, it's really fun.
Do you like to cut up tomatoes or
Yep,
not?
cut up
You
the
do
tomatoes.
in half.
And yep, just in half. I'm gonna sprinkle some blueberries on, just a few, because this is a single person salad, a 1-person salad. I like to.
If you were making it for more than one person, you would of course add more stuff.
Right, more lettuces. So I have the walnuts here. I like to just crunch them in my fingers a little bit, even though these are already considered halves and pieces. They're still a little large, so I like to crush them up. Maybe 3 or 4 walnuts, nothing too crazy.
When you buy nuts, when you buy halves and pieces, it's a lot more affordable too.
Yes.
Did you know that?
Yeah. So I put the green onions, just sprinkle a little bit on there, just a little bit.
Do you want these cut up?
Yeah, strawberries cut up. I sprinkle on the cranberries again, just a few pieces. So you're not overloading your salad with any one particular thing. These hearts of palm are great because they're cut up already for salad. So you can I guess I wouldn't pour them. You can use a little spoon, and they're already cut up. So you can just.
Do you like them that whole?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, cut up. Just sprinkle a couple of pieces on there. Okay, I'm actually gonna eat one.
Me too.
Okay. Then I put a few of when I cut up that avocado. So I put a few of the sun-dried tomato pieces. I like to get the ones that are julienne cut, so they either come in halves or julienne, and halves are just way too big. So I don't want to deal with having to cut them. So I
hate sun-dried tomatoes.
I know you do. I love them.
I don't know why.
My husband started putting them on salad, and I was like, this is the greatest idea I've ever heard of.
Huh, that's so weird. I never gave them to you when you were growing up because I hated them.
Yeah.
I deprived you.
Yeah.
You want this whole avocado?
Yeah, I put a whole
Wow.
avocado on my own personal salad.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Eating me out of avocado
I
at
know.
home.
I'll do the beans. You're gonna have to open this Tetra Pak for me. I never used these before, so I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah.
Tell people about Tetra Paks.
So they come, instead of coming in a can, they come in like what your broth or almond milk or soy milk would come in instead. What else do you want me to say about it?
Well, so they don't have any BPA. I mean, they
Right.
don't have any BPA in them, which a lot of cans do. Even if they say they don't, they've EWG found that they do.
Yep.
So
Yeah. So it's.
here I am with avocado hands.
Yeah. So I'm gonna add some chia seeds, and with chia seeds and hemp hearts, they come out of the package quickly, and so you can end up with like way too many. So I like to
I want to show you some chia seeds that a friend of mine gave me.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get them.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put these like little tiny.
Careful, Jake.
Just
Not too
like
quickly.
teeny tiny sprinkle. Like that was like the tiniest amount. Otherwise, you get seeds all over everywhere. And then same thing with these. I got these individual pack hemp hearts, which are so fun. Sure if I
So
can get
this
them
is.
open.
These are some chia seeds that a friend of mine gave to me. He actually, I don't know, like, there's something special about them. They're called iguazu. It means big water. And there's a whole thing behind him. It's from this tribe that grows these, and these are supposed to be amazing. And see how amazing they are? I haven't even opened them yet.
Yeah, it's great.
But I really want to support small business people. This is 6 grams of fiber, 3.6 grams of omega-3s. So a lot of times people think they have to eat fish to get omegas,
Right.
which is crazy. We just came out with an all plant-based omega, which is awesome. Almost 4 grams of protein per serving. So, and a serving size is pretty small. They say 2 tablespoons. Did you put 2 tablespoons
No,
on?
just a tiny bit. This is too much for one. It's
you,
just
it's
too
too
much.
much.
It's too, you get, like every bite's got seeds all over your whole face.
Okay.
So,
All right.
okay.
like this.
All right. Now you gotta show us how to open
Oh,
this.
okay. Well, I use the scissors. So these are a little bit of a pain in the ass because we're not used to doing this. And then you have to open them up on the top, and then also you should rinse them. So it says that you can tear them. Let's try that. Yeah, that's not working. I don't know if it's my
Need a
nails.
boy to help you?
Well, I've just never been able to do that. But it probably might be a boy thing because you don't have these fingernails. But cutting them open, and then you grab that colander out of the sink. I can see by the colander on the wall that it's time to drain these. That was a joke.
I heard.
Just a laugh. What else do you want me to do?
Well,
over
this
here?
is the last thing, and then I gotta show you how to do the corn. 'cause
Okay.
you
What
don't
about
know.
you didn't put the cranberries
I
in?
did too. I just put a little
did?
bit. Yeah, just put a little tiny bit.
Then
on.
why'd you take out so many?
You did that.
I did not. Oh, you
did.
cut open this. This is not supposed to be cut open.
Yeah, it tears open.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a tear open.
I thought it had a
Look at her,
thing.
just blaming me for everything left and right. So I am gonna come from over here. I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna make a mess over here. So I don't put the whole can. I just put, you know, a little bit of beans.
I love cannellini beans.
And I never
They have
rinse my
such a
beans.
good-
I never rinse them.
They suggest
I
you
know,
do,
I never
but
do
when they're in a
that.
Tetra Pak, it's not bad. Then why
Yeah.
did you bother putting them in there?
Well, because you said you wanted me to do that.
Just to get rid of. We
Yeah.
have to get rid of the liquid.
Yeah. So how I do the corn. I don't know if you're gonna like this strategy or not.
I'm
This is what
already
I do.
feeling I'm not going to.
This is I like to do this. Do
Oh.
it into the bowl
Oh, that's smart.
so that you don't get it flung all over the place.
That's so smart. Why wouldn't I like that?
Because it's in the bowl and you risk running the blade into the bowl.
Oh, well, you
Which
know how
if
I
you're-
am about knives.
That's true. You don't.
Alex wouldn't like that.
No, my husband would not
You're going
like
to do
that.
the whole cup?
I do the whole cup. Otherwise, I mean, sometimes I'll cut it in half, but otherwise you just like
You
waste it.
Yeah.
So I'm just
But you can eat corn raw.
Yeah.
Well, that's what you're doing, actually. You can eat it like this.
Okay. So that's everything.
Yum.
That's everything. And then
I was gonna make a dressing
I know we
for you.
forgot. So you can use whatever your favorite non-dairy dressing is. You can put just some lemon on it. You can put just some vinegar on it. What we do is my husband makes the best dressing ever. It's balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and some mustard and salt and pepper. And then he makes a big thing of it. So we store it in
No
the,
garlic?
No, in the fridge. And what I like about that is that you know what's in it. There's no preservatives. There's nothing. There's no coloring. You know exactly what's in it.
Yeah.
And it lasts. You know, it lasts for a week.
I don't even use dressing. I just put avocado, a little bit of lemon, maybe a little bit of like lemon olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic. That's all. That's how I always make a salad. Always.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
how you had it growing up. You never had salad dressing.
Yeah.
Ever.
I know. Now I do.
Says a lot about you.
Do I have
Yeah.
corn all over my face?
No. You're
No?
good. And that's it. Look how beautiful that is. It's definitely Instagram worthy.
It is. If whatever that, however you do Instagram, it would be a good thing to put on
beautiful.
Instagram. That's
Yeah.
so cute. Good job. What do you think, Derek? You can eat that?
I'm ready.
Yeah, you
Turn the
ready?
camera off, Lizzie.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's do it.
awesome. That wraps up another great episode of Cook with Jake and Joy and Derek. We gotta include Derek.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks so much for joining us. We hope that this is becoming your favorite cooking show. We know it's our favorite cooking show, and we'll see you on the next episode.